I'm so grateful that I have this opportunity. They welcome me with open arms.
I just think it's great to have kids come in and learn things new.
Once you get to really hands-on and build something and see it happen in front of your eyes, I think that is just amazing.
Every day I get into something new, and it's fun, it's challenging.
I got introduced into the program for building that house, and at first I didn't think much of it, like, oh, we're building a house. But as soon as I started going every day, and I potentially fell in love with it. It became a routine, like, okay, I got construction today. It's every day. Let's go get something done.
It gives them the opportunity to see if it's something that they're interested in.
I definitely want to be in that Thompson Solution program, 13-week program. That sounds awesome. They just really introduce you to all the trades, and I really just want to, maybe electrician may not be for me. Maybe something else might catch my eye. So, I'm just really excited to see where life takes me.